ito po si Mama Loy at may exciting akong chika sa mga soon-to-wed couples dyan. Naku! This is your golden opportunity to get freebies and discounts from your reputable wedding suppliers. Kailan to? Naku, this weekend na! So March 22 and 23 at the Wedding Expo Philippines. Nagaganapin po sa Space at 1 Ayala Mall, Makati. That will be from 11 a.m. until 8 o'clock p.m. It's a wonderland of the most trusted and verified wedding suppliers in the country. Kaya naman, magkita-kita po tayo kasi nandyan po ang La Vida Events Company ni Mama Loy, ang aking wedding planning company. So let's make it happen! Save the date! March 22 and 23, Wedding Expo Philippines at Space at the 5th level of 1 Ayala Mall, Makati. For more information, visit www.themesandmotives.com. Kita-kits!